DIY soap dispenser from recycled bottles. Every month, millions of plastic bottles get emptied, rinsed, and thrown away. Into bins, into landfills, into oceans. And every month, millions of people walk into a store and spend money on a brand new soap dispenser that will eventually become another plastic bottle thrown away. What if those two things, the bottle you are discarding and the dispenser you are buying, are actually the same object? Today, we close that loop permanently. Give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications, because the most beautiful things in your home do not have to cost the earth. Literally or figuratively. The emotional realization. Let me ask you something that seems small, but is actually quite significant when you sit with it. Look around your bathroom or kitchen right now. How many plastic dispensers, bottles, and containers are sitting on your surfaces? The hand soap, the dish soap, the shampoo, the conditioner, the surface cleaner. Each one will be empty within weeks. Each empty one will be replaced by a new full one in identical packaging. And the empty ones, the ones you paid for, the ones that entered your home, lived on your surfaces, and were handled by your family dozens of times, will be placed in a bin and forgotten. This DIY soap dispenser project is not just a craft. It is a shift in how you see the objects in your home. The materials, what you need, and why you already have it. The foundation of this project is a recycled bottle with character. Glass bottles are the premium option wine bottles, olive oil bottles, sauce bottles with interesting shapes, because glass is indefinitely reusable, easy to clean completely, and carries a visual weight and quality that elevates every surface it sits on. A hand soap dispenser, made from a repurposed olive oil bottle on a kitchen sink, looks intentional, curated, and genuinely beautiful. The method: creating your dispenser. Clean your chosen bottle thoroughly. For glass bottles that previously contained food products, olive oil, vinegar, sauce, fill with hot soapy water, seal, shake vigorously, and rinse repeatedly until no residue or odor remains. The bottle must be genuinely clean before it becomes a soap dispenser. Once clean and fully dry, measure the neck diameter of your bottle. Most standard pump mechanisms fit bottleneck openings between 18 and 28 millimeters. Check your pump kit's specifications against your bottleneck before committing to the combination. For glass bottles with narrow necks, a rubber stopper with a center hole drilled to the pump tube diameter creates a perfect, stable seal that holds the pump firmly in place without adhesive. For wider-necked bottles, many pump kits include adjustable collars that accommodate different diameters directly. Cut the pump tube to the correct length it should reach to within 1 centimeter of the bottle's base, so it draws soap from the bottom of the fill, rather than leaving product behind as the level drops. Insert the pump through the stopper or collar, seat the assembly firmly in the bottleneck, and fill the bottle with your chosen liquid soap through the neck before sealing the pump in place. That is the functional element complete. The decoration making it beautiful. A plain recycled bottle functioning as a soap dispenser is already a win for sustainability. But the real satisfaction of this project comes from transforming it into something that looks like it was designed this way. Wrap the bottle in natural twine or jute rope, secured with craft glue, working from the base upward in tight, even rows. The texture this creates, warm, natural, tactile, turns a wine bottle into a dispenser that belongs on a spa countertop. Add a small handwritten or printed label on craft paper, the soap contents, a simple botanical illustration, a word that fits the room's character. Tie it around the bottle neck with a piece of twine. The object you are now looking at cost you the price of a pump kit. It is made from something that would have entered landfill, and it is more beautiful, more personal, and more considered than anything sitting in the soap dispenser aisle of any shop you have ever visited. The deeper story why this matters more than a craft project. Here is what this project is really about when you pull back from the practical details. We live in a culture of extraordinary consumption and extraordinary waste, two sides of the same coin that turn over faster every year. We are encouraged, continuously and cleverly, to see objects as temporary, to associate newness with quality and oldness with worthlessness, to replace rather than repurpose, to consume rather than create. That is the real transformation this project offers, not just a prettier soap dispenser, but a different way of seeing the objects around you, not as things to consume and replace, but as materials to work with, to reshape, to give new purpose and new life. The most beautiful homes are not filled with the most expensive things. They are filled with the most considered ones. And the most considered object in your home this week might just be an olive oil bottle with a pump and a piece of twine. Start tonight. The bottle is already there. Everything else is already in you. If this made you look at your recycling bin differently, hit the like button right now. It costs nothing and genuinely helps this channel reach more people who want to live more creatively and more sustainably. Subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell so projects like this always find you. Share it with someone who loves to make beautiful things from nothing. Click the link in the description box below to join our free cleaning community. See you in the next one.